Okay. Yesterday we were doing how to decide a language is regular or not. You remember? Oh, no God. So I told you, if no relation between the inputs and whether it is finite or infinite, it is regular. If relation is there and that relation is finite, then also regular. And relation infinite, not regular. Example, here we don't have the relation between A's and B's. A's any number and B's can be any number. So no relation is always regular. And in this we have relation that is A's whatever, that many B's has to be there. So relation is there, but that relation is finite because n less than or equal to 3. So relation finite, also regular. And here there is a relation between A and B, that is A's whatever, that many B's has to be there, and that relation is infinite, that is the reason not regular. This is what we have seen, and based on that we have done some questions. Now copy these questions. We have done 22 languages, L22. Now copy these L23. Just copy these all, every one of you, and check whether they are regular or not. Okay, now tell me L23. Have you all copied till 29? Hello. This is till now 23 to 29. These 7 languages. Have you copied or not? Now tell me 23. Regular है ना? नहीं.
सर
आप
I is less than equals to 5 तो
आपको
रेगुलर रेगुलर होना चाहिए.
Oh, do you understand the language, Mister?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the language here?
A to the power I square.
L23, a to the power of I square. What is the least
Yes.
value of I here?
सर जीरो रख सकते हैं ना हम?
हाँ, जीरो ना. Don't go
तो
for
एप्सिलॉन
negative.
रहेगा.
Very good.
एप्सिलॉन रहेगा.
उसके बाद में
सर 1 रखेंगे तो a to the power 2.
हाँ, 1 स्क्वायर का क्या है भाई?
a to नहीं, a to the power 1 के बाद a to the power 2 आएगा.
फिर से बोलो. आई वैल्यू 0 है तो एप्सिलॉन, आई वैल्यू 1 है तो 1 स्क्वायर, आई वैल्यू 2 है तो
a to the power 4.
देन वी आर सेइंग दैट अबाउट 2. इसके बाद
उसके बाद सर a to the power 6 आएगा.
बाबा बाबा, यू आर वेरी स्ट्रांग इन मैथमेटिक्स है क्या भाई? हाँ, अभी तक सो गए था क्या? आई स्क्वेयर, आई पावर 2, आई स्क्वेयर 2 है तो 2 स्क्वेयर, 3 है तो 3 स्क्वेयर, है ना?
यस सर.
4 है तो 4 स्क्वेयर, 4 स्क्वेयर का मतलब क्या?
16
हाँ, इसके बाद
of 25.
हाँ, क्या भैया? हाँ, अभी तक क्या किया था? सो गया?
नो सर.
हाँ. देन ए पावर 0 क्या है?
एप्सिलॉन.
Epsilon. Very good. Now, what did you understand from this language, Mister? Number of A's must be a perfect square.
यस सर.
समझ गए ना?
यस सर.
Suppose I am taking a cube. If you give a cube, 3 A's. 3 is not a perfect square. 3 is not
यस.
a perfect square of any integer.
यस सर.
So here you have to count the A's, that is A's are 3, which is not possible. Okay, let us somehow we have counted. After that, checking whether 3 is a perfect square or not is more difficult.
यस
So
सर.
here, how can you construct a finite automata so that that automata must accept a power 4, which is 4 A's and 4 is a 2 square. At the same time, it should not accept a power 5, a power 6, a power 7, a power 8, and it should accept a power 9 because A's are 9 and
9
9 is a perfect square.
is a
So
perfect square.
ये सब कैसे पॉसिबल हो सकता है?
यस सर, नहीं होगा.
सोच लो. Is this possible? You have attended for yesterday's class. I have asked you the questions also in between. So can you construct a finite automata to accept L23? Just friendly, you just speak to me. So whatever you think, possible to possible, nahi to nahi. Anybody please say something. I'll go. Okay. A language is regular if every string of the language is accepted by the finite automata, and that finite automata if it does not accept any other string. Now
Yes, sir.
here smallest string is epsilon.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way to accept epsilon. Now, after that is single A. This is for single A. This is done. Now, actually, you must accept this string because A's are 4. The machine, the finite number cannot count that A's are 4. It is impossible. Okay, and more impossible is you have checking whether the 4 is a perfect square or not. So this is not possible. But here epsilon we have accepted, A accepted, and shall we accept A square?
Yes, sir.
A square, boss, A square. Is A square is the string in this L23?
No, sir, it is not present in the
Then
string.
don't accept A square. And
Okay.
A cube,
No, sir.
A power 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen. If I take A cube, first is from initial it come to the second state. On the second it come to the third state. On third it come to the fourth state. It will
Yes,
stop in this state, and it is not a final state. It is not accepted. Suppose one more state is there, then it come to the this fifth state, final state,
yes, sir.
and A power 5 don't accept.
No, yes, don't accept. A power 6
A
don't
power
accept.
6 don't accept.
A power 7 don't accept.
7
Don't
don't
accept.
accept. 8 don't accept.
9 we have to
9
accept.
को accept करो.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा 16 को accept करेंगे,
और 25 को.
25 को accept करेंगे. अगर A power 15 आई तो okay, suppose the string is A power 15, then it stops in this just before the state.
Yes, sir.
If A's are 16, then it stops in this state.
Yes, sir.
So here nowhere we are counting the A's. First of all, it is impossible to count the A's, and it is very much impossible to check whether it is a perfect square or not.
Perfect.
But we want to accept epsilon. Yes, for this epsilon, this is the final state. For this A, this is the final state. For A power 4, this is the final state. For A power 9, this is the final state. Please don't disturb. Okay, good. Very good. Thank you. Bye. For 16, this is the final state, and for 25, this is the final state. So if it is a perfect square, sorry, if it is a perfect string, it will stop any of these final states. If it is invalid, it will stop in another states. So anyway, this is regular. Actually, students, listen. This is the language in which number of A's must be perfect square. Whether A's are perfect square or not, we cannot count. But this is a finite language. Finite language. That means the language having finite number of strings is called as finite language, and every finite language is regular. So now continue with 24. Don't talk. Don't talk. I have class. Okay, good. Very good. What about 24? Will anybody say 24? 24.
Sir, actually not regular variable.
24. Here I less than greater than equal to 0. So minimum I value is 0.
But sir, maximum
Epsilon.
value will be infinite, no?
A power 1, A power 4, A power 9, A power 16, then 25, 36, 49, like that. How many?
Sir,
How
infinite.
many? Infinite. So, in this way, example, this is for epsilon, this is for A, and A square, A cube, this is for A power 4, and this is for A power 9. Like this, we cannot construct, because here, what is the last string? The last string is infinite. Here, the 4 will have infinite number of strings. So, in this way, if you want to construct, we need infinite number of states. Okay.
Yes,
So, we cannot construct like this. The other way we can construct is, you have to count the A's and you have to check whether it is perfect square or not.
Square or not.
Impossible. You cannot count the A's and you cannot check whether it is a perfect square or not. So we cannot go in that way. If you want to go in this way, you need infinite number of shades. So infinite number of shades is not possible. So it is not regular.
Yes, sir.
Next, L25. Say, I cannot see your message unless I am in OneNote. Whenever I have opened this one, and if I ask something, so please use your voice. Okay. Now this A power n factorial, n less than or equal to 10. L25. N factorial, the n less than or equal to 10. The least value of n is 0. A power 0 factorial. Then A power 1 factorial. Then A power 2 factorial. Then A power 3 factorial, like that. A power 0 factorial is what? 1. A power 1. 1 factorial is also 1. So A. So leave this. And A 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial is 6. Then 4 factorial 24. Like this. So here L25 will have the number of A's in which every string will have factorial number. So what is the highest value? That is 10 factorial. So here you have to count the A's and you have to check whether that number is a factorial or not. Of course, here how many strings we have? Finite or infinite? How many strings we have? Finite or infinite?
Finite.
Finite.
Every finite language is regular. It is possible. How it is possible? We take A, it will be final state. A square will be final state. Then 3 is not, 4 is not, 5 is not, then 6 will be final state. Like this we can construct. So this is regular.
Yes, sir.
Next, 26. Thank you. L26. जल्दी बोलिए ना.
Sir, not regular.
Regular.
N factorial. N is greater than or equal to 0. Here n value is infinite. So we cannot count the A's and we cannot check whether that number is factorial number or not. Impossible, because a function, mathematical function is required and for that a memory is required. So it is not possible. List A for P is a prime number. And what about this language?
Sir, regular.
Only U prime number. L27. What is the first prime number?
Sir, 2.
Good. Then
3.
Then
5. 7, 11, 13, 17, 19.
so do we have infinite number of strings or finite number of strings in this?
So finite number of strings.
Okay, so actually counting the number of A's and checking whether it is a prime number or not impossible. But
Yes, sir.
we have a finite number of strings in this language. So we scan the A's. For second A, we make the fine state. For third A's, we make the fine state. For fifth A, we will make the fine state. Like that, we can construct. Therefore, this
It is
is
regular.
possible and it is regular. Is regular. What about next one?
Sir, not regular.
Not
How many
regular.
prime number will be there?
Sir, it will
19
go up to
after,
infinity.
19 after 23. Oh, yes or no? So then 29. Like that, there will be infinite,
Yes, sir.
infinite prime number of A's.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, infinite prime numbers. Okay, so in L28 is not possible. So this is not regular. Okay,
Yes, sir.
next. WCW transpose L29. WC, this is C, not subset. It is not like this. This is not. That is C. WCW transpose, where W is any combination of A and B, and length of W is 5. What does the meaning of this one? Suppose W is double A, B, B, A. See, this is W. This length is 5. This length is 5. Okay. And after that C after whatever you have, that must be reverse of the string. Okay. That means double A, double B, A is there. Suppose then C. Then after that it should be AA, BB, AA. So there is a relation. What is that? Whatever W before C, whatever C after, it must be reverse of this one. You understand? C before whatever the string, example, C before if it is triple A, double B, then C after it must be reverse of triple A, double B. That is double B, triple A must be there. So whatever C before, and you have to check whether it is after C, whether it is in the reverse of or not. So whatever C before, after that it should be reverse. So there is a relation between this W and W transpose. Are you following? I repeat, C before whatever, C after it must be exactly reverse. So there is a relation. What is that relation? C before string and C after string, they must be reverse each other. So relation is there. So whenever relation is there, you just tell me, is this possible or not possible? Is this regular or not regular? So which
not possible. Not a
tell me, possible or not possible? Anybody please respond.
Sir, it is regular because the value is 5.
It's good. Then you can say na. So C before the length. C before it can be any combination of A and B. And C after it must be reverse of the first. Okay. And here the W, whatever W, C before, its length is finite. Its length is finite. Okay. If I write all the combination of A and B having this condition, will I get finite number of strings or infinite number of strings? Definitely finite number of strings, because here the length of W is finite. So when you are getting finite number of strings, so every finite language is regular. This is regular. समझ गए ना? Do you understand or not, guys? It is, even though relation is there, that relation is finite. Okay, and every finite language is regular. Let us see. So length 1, length 2, length 3, length 4, length 5, then C. After that, length 1, length 2, length 3, length 4, length 5. This can be filled with A or B. So two ways. This also can be A or B. Two ways. This also A or B. Two ways. You can fill this with A or B. Two ways. You can fill with A or B. Two ways. And this is compulsory with C. That is one way. And here, what can I fill this? Hello. Here. With what symbol I can fill this place? Follow anybody, please tell me. Here, first place can be filled with A or B, second can be A or B, third can be A or B, two ways, fourth can be A or B, two ways, fifth can be A or B, and this is only C. And here, what can I use? The symbol. What can I fill? Tell me, do you know or not? This is the reverse of this string. Reverse of this one. So this can be what? Can it be A or B? Can I fill this with two ways? I think.
Symbol before C.
Ah, that's good. Symbol before C. Suppose this before C, if it is A, I can fill this with A only. Suppose symbol before B, I can fill with B only. So this is depends on this symbol. So I can use only one way. Okay, because these are the two different ways. If it is A, it should be A. If it is B, it should be B. So you can fill this place two ways. So this is depends on this. This is depends on this one way. And 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 this is depends on this one way. So 2 into 2 into 2, so and 1 into 1. So this is 2 power 5. That is 32 different strings will be there. Okay, in L29. So 32 means finite. That is the reason this language is regular. Okay, now? Do you understand, guys? You don't respond for anything. So L29 is regular. What about 30? What about 30? C before whatever, C after, it must be exactly the reverse. So there is a relation between this string and this string. W can be length 1, or W can be length 2, or W can be length 3, or W can be of 1 lakh, or W can be of 1 crore. So relation between W and W transpose. So C before whatever, C after exactly reverse. So there is no finite length, it is infinite length. So you will have infinite number of strings, and every string you have to check C before whatever, C after whether it is reverse or not. So relation and infinite. Relation and infinite is not regular.
Not regular.
Huh?
Not regular.
Okay. Is not regular. Okay, next question. (31). 31. The difference between 29 and 31. In 29, there is an identifier between W and W transpose. That is, but in 31, there is no identifier between W and W transpose. So the first part, whatever, suppose first part is ABB, then ABB after it should be BBA. So this is this and this. So first of whatever, the second half should be exactly the reverse of the first half. So it is regular or not? You just tell me. Arati, what do you say? L31.
Arts.
Oh, good. Good question. Madam, Miss Sarthi, modulus W is less than or equal to 5. Means length can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. Finite length. I am taking example length 3. Tell me one string, Miss, of W length 3. Arati,
AAB.
very good. AAB. After that, Sina.
No, sir, we don't have a C there.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wow. Which one are we talking? 31. Okay. And after that,
BAA.
very good. So we want to accept this one. Now look at this. AAB. This is one string. Okay. Let me one more string. ABA or ABB. ABB मतलब इसके बाद क्या है? Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ABB. This is A, B, B. इसके बाद B, B, A. This is B, B, A. So like this, can we construct how many strings will be there in L31? Arti, finite or infinite?
Sir, finite.
So already we have considered for these two strings, this and for this. So for the remaining also we will construct like this, because we will have some finite number of strings. For finite number of strings we can construct like this. Then it will be regular, na? Of course, here there will be more strings. It will maybe little bit complicated, means it will take time, but not impossible, na? It is possible, na?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand, or you want more clarification?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay. Then there will be finite number of strings, and every finite language is regular. And my question, Arti, how many strings will be there in this L31? क्वेश्चन समझ गया आपको मेरा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बोलिए। Anybody please tell me how many strings will be there in L31 if you write all the strings based on this condition W transpose? Angel, 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 look at this. Angel. Mobile bit. కొంచెం full off water, off. Off. Second. Thank you. Nobody. Very good. Listen. What is the smallest, the least length? 0. So what is the least length? 0. What is the string of length 0? What is the string of length 0? Epsilon. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Modulus W is less than or equal to 5. So length can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here the smallest string is the small. Now I'm taking W transpose. Epsilon. And what is the reverse of epsilon? I repeat, guys. I am taking length 0. The string of length 0 is epsilon. And what is the reverse of epsilon? Is this? Hello? What is the reverse of epsilon? The reverse of epsilon is epsilon only. This one only. Suppose A reverse is A only. We don't write reverse of A. Okay. So epsilon reverse is epsilon, and this length is 0, and this length is also 0. So total length is 0. Okay. So there will be a string of length 0. Next. This is for length 0 and for length 1. This can be filled with A or B, 2 ways. And whatever this, it will be the same. So this is 1 way. There will be 2 power 1. And this is for length 2. This can be filled with 2 ways, A or B, A or B. And this is 1 way, this is 1 way. There will be 2 square. And next, the length 3. There will be 2 cube. Next 2 power 4. Next 2 power 5. So the total strings here. So what? 2 power 0, that is 1. Here 2 power 0. This is 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 plus 2 power 4 plus 2 power 5. So here 2 power 0 is 1, and it is in geometric progression. The first letter is A into R power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, here how many strings are there total? How many strings are there? How many terms are there? How many terms? Total 6 terms. That is, I'm counting here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And A is first symbol is 1. And common ratio is 2. 2 to the power of 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is 1 into 2 power 6 is 64. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 63 by 1 is 63. So there will be 63 strings with this condition. W transpose. Okay, na? This one. 31. Having length of 0 to 5. So anyway, 63 means finite number of strings. And a language having finite number of strings is always regular. Do you understand? L31 is regular. This is regular.
Daddy.
Now tell me, what about 32?
Not regular.
Very good. Why?
Sir, it is infinite.
Yes, W transpose, whatever the first part of the string, whatever the first of string, the second of should be the, whatever first of, the second of should be the reverse of the first of. So there is a relation between W and W transpose. And here W is given any combination of A and B. The length has not given. So the length can be 0 to infinite. So there is a relation and relation is infinite. Therefore, this is not regular. Not regular. Like this, you all try the remaining. So based on this, the rest you can easily answer 33, 34, 35, 36. Guys, tell me 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. If you are interested, I can give you up to 50. But if you are maintaining the timings like this, I cannot give you more questions. (33) Is it regular or not?
Yes, sir, it is regular.
Yes, good. So WCW WCW, C before whatever, C after exactly the same. Suppose C before is ABB, C after also ABB. But here the length is given 10. Of course, the length is given 10. So using this condition, if I write all the strings, will I get finite or infinite? Definitely finite, because the length is fixed. So there is a relation between this W and W, and that relation is finite. Therefore, this is regular language. Next, what about 34 and Here W, C, W. C before whatever, C after must be the same. And here the length is not given. Length can be from 0 to infinite. 0 to infinite. So relation and infinite. So it is not regular. This is not regular. What about 35? Again, the difference between 33 and 35, in 33 C is there, but in 35 C is not there. So first of whatever, the second of must be the same. So relation is there, and that relation is finite. So every finite language is regular. This is regular. And next, 36. W, W. The first of whatever, second of must be the same. And here relation is not, relation is there, and W is of length 0 to infinite. So relation infinite.
Not regular.
Not regular.
Not regular.
Now try 37. W is any combination of A and B.
Yes, sir.
37 I'm talking about. W can be any combination of A and B, and its length must be multiple of 100.
Sir, not regular.
Multiple of 100, and n is minimum 0. So if n is 1, 100, n is 2, 200, n is 3, 300, n is 4, 400, like this. So regular or not regular?
Not regular.
क्यों?
सर n की वैल्यू तो इन्फिनिटी तक जाएगी फिर वैसे.
Who are you? What's
सर
your name?
आशय.
Ashay.
Ashay.
Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Listen this one. Wait a moment. Okay. Now I am giving you one more different question. Just leave the 37. Just look at this. Modulus of W is 3n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. And W is any combination of A and B. So it's simple. 37 is 100n. Instead of 100n, I gave you 3n. So what is the smallest value of the least value of n? The least value of n is 0. If n is 0, 3 into 0. N is 1, 3 into 1. N is 2. N is 3. N is 4. N is 5. So the length of each string in this language will be a multiple of 3. Now, among all these, what is the smallest length? 0 is the smallest length. What is the string of length 0? Epsilon is the string of length 0. This is for length 0. And suppose length is 1. That length, the first symbol is 1. It can be A or B. Length is 1, A or B. Don't accept. Length 2, then also don't accept because length is 2. First symbol A or B, we will go to this state. From here, A or B will go to this state. And again, A or B. Now tell me, what is this total length? What is this total length? Are you following? Here, what is the total length of the string? Guys, is this visible on the screen? Here, what is the total length of the string?
3.
2.
Huh? 2. Madam Ji, this string, this one, length 1, length 2, length 3, length is 3. So it must be accept. Example, ABA or ABB or BAB, whatever. So from initial, we come to this on first symbol. Then second symbol will come to this state. And if length is 3, we'll go back to the final state because length 3 must be accepted. Length 0, epsilon, length 3 done. Okay. And suppose, I'm repeating, initial is final for length 0. This is for length 1, no. Length 2, no. Length 3, yes, going to the final. Length 4, no. Length 5, no. Length 6, we will go back. Length 7, no. Length 8, no. Length 9, we will go to the final. So this machine accepts all the strings, any combination of A and B of length multiple of 3. Yes or no? Do you all agree for this? Will this machine accept all the strings of length 3 or not? Multiple of 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You just take one example, BA, BB, AA. So take this one, B. It come to the, okay, this is first state and this is second state and this is third state. So on B, it come to the second. On A, it go to the third state. On this B, it come back, go back to first state. On B, second. On A, third. On this A, it will go again first state. So it has reached the first state, and first state is the final state, accepted. So here we have 3 states when length is multiple of 3. Suppose length is multiple of 4. Suppose length is multiple of 4. Modulus of W equal to 4n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. Then what will be the length here? 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, like this. So this is for length 0. Okay. And length 1, don't accept. Length 2, don't accept. Length 3, don't accept. Whereas length 4, yes, accept. So A or B length 1, A or B length 2, A or B length 3, and A or B length 4. We will accept. Length 5, length 6, length 7, length 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when the length is 4n, we can accept all of them. There will be 4 states. When length is 3n, we will accept all of them and 3 states. Now tell me, when length is 100n, there will be 100 states. Only the thing is the number of states will be more. Okay, I will. When length is 100n, n greater than or equal to 0. So length will be 0 if n is 1, 100. If length is, n is 2, 200, n is 3, 300, like that. So this is for length 0. We will accept. Length 1, don't accept. Length 2, don't accept. Length 3, don't accept. So on. Length 99, don't accept. If the length is 100, then we will come back. So there will be 100 states. So we can construct a finite odometer to accept every string of this language. Hence, this language is regular. Guys, समझ लो का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then go for. So if you want, you can copy this one. This 100 W3N. This part. So just copy this chimney. Now one more question left. Just tell me. 38. The L is the language of any combination of A and B. The 38. It is a language of A's and B's, any combination of A's and B's, where every string, that is W, has equal number of A's and B's. You take any combination of A's and B's. In that string, the total number of A's and B's must be equal.
There is some remedy. If he was a cut, there will the compute it.
A's and B's, it can be any combination of A's and B's. Suppose this is the string, okay? It can be any. Here in this string, you have to, whenever A comes, you have to count that number. Suppose say N1. And whenever B's comes, so the number of B's in W, you have to count that. Okay, here this is number of A's in W, you have to count whenever A's occurred. And in NB of W, the number of B's in the string W, you have to, whenever the string B's comes in the string, you have to count. So let this number is N1 and this number is N2. Say there are N1 number of A's and N2 number of B's. And finally, you have to check whether N1 equal to N2 or not. So here, whenever A's come, you have to count them, which is impossible because we must require a memory. The day one, yesterday I told you A power n, B power n, as long as A's comes, you must count them. And when B's comes, you must count them. You have to check these A's and B's are equal or not. For that, a memory is required. So it is impossible. So it is not regular. That is what yesterday I told you. Here, the string is any combination of A and B. Whenever A comes, you have to count them. Whenever B comes, you have to count them. And you have to check whether they are equal or not. For that, a memory is required. And it is not possible because here the string is of infinite length. Suppose the same question, if they have given you like this, W has equal number of A's and B's and modulus W equal to, suppose say 10, then definitely this is regular, because there will be a finite number of strings. In that finite number of strings, you can check whether A's and B's are equal or not. But here the string is of infinite length and you have to check whether A's and B's are equal or not, memory required. Therefore, it is not possible, it is not regular. This is not regular. Do you understand? Hello, please respond. Do you have any doubt in this? 38.
No, sir.
You didn't understand? Means no doubt, eh?
Yes,
No
sir.
doubt,
It's